What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Getting down to some of the last few things I need to do on the Miata before we paint it. And one of those today is I'm going to be shaving the antenna hole in the quarter panel. So I'm going to walk you through the process and show you what I do to fill up this hole. I've got a piece of metal here that is pretty much the same thickness as the metal on the quarter panel of the Miata, so this is going to be perfect to cut a piece out of and then use that to weld into the hole here. Alright, so we've got our piece cut out, fits pretty well. What I'm going to do now is disconnect the battery. I'm going to get a welding blanket and cover up the car and the trunk area. And I'm going to pull the welder around here and I'm going to slip that piece up from the bottom and weld around the hole. Alright, I've got the battery disconnected, I've got the welding blanket covering the interior of the trunk, and tucked all the way back in this corner, covering the battery, and underneath right where the hole is where we're going to be welding. I've got the welder grounded to a spot on the quarter panel here. So now we're going to go ahead and get started. Alright, now that our hole is welded, we can come in with body filler and finish this out. Alright, I feel like I keep saying this, but we are very, very close here. There are more parts painted now than not painted for this thing. This past week I painted the fender and the finish panel. So now the headlight covers, mirrors, hood, rear bumper, both fenders and finish panel are all painted, as well as the hardtop. So all I have left are doors and the body of the car and the front bumper. I brought the front bumper, the new front bumper, up to the shop this week and got some primer on it. So I want to say be looking forward to the next video being the paint video on this car. Very excited. Then after that we will have the build up process of putting this thing back together. Any little odds and ends we need to do. Probably gonna end up doing something with my interior door panels as long as we have time. Hopefully we will. So look forward to all that coming very soon. But As always, thank you so much for watching, have an awesome week, and we will see you in the next one.